Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today I want to talk about some of the best VPNs that you can get for remote desktop. So first of all, I want to just differentiate the two. Remote desktops and VPNs are two separate things, but sometimes you might find both in a single application, such as NordVPN with MeshNet here. So MeshNet is essentially remote access over the encrypted network of NordVPN, which is actually very convenient. Now, remote desktop will allow you to connect and control a physical machine remotely. It's like screen share, pretty sure you're familiar with it, but it's commonly used for technical troubleshooting and remote working, and it can be very beneficial for centrally administered systems. A VPN is completely separate. It's a totally different tool, and it creates a secure encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Now, this protects your privacy, it enhances your security, and allows access to restricted or censored websites, and at the same time it hides your IP address, making your online activities overall more private. Now, there are a few reasons why it's quite a bit essential to use VPNs with remote access, especially if you're accessing sensitive company files and whatnot. A VPN will absolutely protect against security risks like unattended devices, unsecured Wi-Fi, and unencrypted file sharing. It creates an encrypted tunnel between the corporate network and remote devices, which prevents unauthorized monitoring or any access that you may not approve of. And this kind of security is really essential when it comes to remote access, especially if you're, let's say, operating from public Wi-Fi. You could easily compromise your information, the company's information, and potentially that device in the company itself, which you have remote access to. So you always want to make sure that you're using a VPN to protect your activity so that nobody will be able to know what you're doing online, not any hacker on the same network or public Wi-Fi, not your internet service provider, or even your government. Now, some of the best VPNs that you could use for remote access are Express and Nord, and there's a third option from Nord that I'll talk about a little bit later on. But let's talk about NordVPN, and this is going to be ideal for people that are looking for the biggest number of countries at 111 countries. You also have dedicated IP addresses, which you can purchase. ExpressVPN does not offer that service. And again, you have built-in remote access with MeshNet, which is just a great feature overall. And so, for example, just to give you some visual representation here, this is you using remote access without a VPN, and this is with a proper VPN. It essentially just locks all of these nodes so that nobody will be able to intercept any of your connections, which is very useful. So NordVPN, again, will be ideal if this is what you're looking for, and it does work great when it comes to accessing streaming services and content that generally may not be accessible to you. And I would say the exact same thing about ExpressVPN, except that it doesn't have a built-in remote access app. So if you already have a remote access app and you're looking for a VPN that is very, very high performing, incredibly secure, super easy to use, and very consistent at what it does, whether it's protecting you on public Wi-Fi or when torrenting or when streaming, if you want to access a bunch of streaming services very easily, or if you simply just want a VPN that has the most verified no-logs policy, which was most notably proven in 2017 when the Turkish government seized an ExpressVPN server as part of an investigation, but they were still unable to access any information out of the server thanks to the true no-logs policy of ExpressVPN. So personally speaking, I like to use Express. Now, if you're one of those that are, well, going beyond personal use, then this is where you can go to NordLayer. Now, NordLayer is absolutely going to be the best for established remote teams, and this is going to give you top-notch security, zero trust access, and a comprehensive access management portal. So this is for you guys that want something just a little bit more organized for your company, and you want secure gateways as far as remote access, and you want it all to be taken care of, both the remote access, the VPN, and the safe IPs and all of that. If you want a whole system that takes care of everything and shows you all kinds of data, then NordLayer would be a great option. I'm going to leave all the links in the description down below, whether you're looking for full reviews or links to pricing and discounts. And that'll be it for this video. Please comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.